If probably you have a car and you fuel that car, you expect it to move, right? It will move. But after moving, the moving of the car is not the end. There is a destination. Before talking about the best investment, you need to know what your return is. So, what is your return? Because in investing into something, you are expecting to get something from it. You may be a career person, a business owner. You're putting your energy and your time into things, your money, especially into things. But the best investment is the destination. The destination, your return should be, you being able to build yourself to a point that people trust you. Now, through the business, through the career you have, you are building a name, and that is what is most important. The business you do today, the career you're into today, you may transition into something tomorrow, but what people will follow is not necessarily what you're doing, is what they've known about you through what you do. So people should be able to know about you through what you do. And that is only possible when you intentionally put out your energy into making sure that everything that you portray you. Let everything that you portray excellence. Let everything that you portray respect. Let everything that you portray, show people that you are a person of integrity, of dignity, and that is how it should be. This is exactly where you can make consistent profit as a person, and this is what works.